So terminating a tile into a J channel is a pretty simple solution. In many cases, you'll get to this point here where you don't have a full tile and you're going to have to trim the tile in order for it to fit into this smaller location. What you're going to have to do is take one of the full-size tiles, mark the height from the bottom of the tile to the top of the J channel, and then you're going to want to add another inch on top so you can fold it back over. We're going to show you how to cut that tile and hem it to fit into this location. So we're going to be cutting a tile that's terminating into the soffit. I went ahead and made 2 marks on the outside channel. The lower mark is where the top of the tile is going to be, and then about an inch above that is going to be a little extra material we're going to use to fold over and hem back. So what we want to do is make a cut line on this top portion. Take your level or straight edge, mark where you're going to be cutting, then you can take your tin snips, and you're going to cut lengthwise across the tile. The cut doesn't need to be perfect because you're not going to see this cut edge. Now you also want to do is this little square between the top of the cut and this other notch, you want to cut that out as well. So we're going to make a small cut along the side. Notch this off and do the same thing on this side. This is going to allow it to be a much easier bend. So you want to take your hand seamer, start on one side, and you want to bend it towards the front. Do a little bit at a time. And once you have the whole tile starting to be bent, go ahead and bend it till it's at least 90 degrees with the front face of the tile. And go a little bit past 90, and this channel here is going to lock into your J channel, and that's going to hold it in place. That's your finished cut tile. So once you have your cut tile, we have our top edge that's been trimmed, hemmed. It doesn't have to be a perfect cut because it's going to be terminated into that J channel. So once you have it, try to overlap the tile before, slide it into place, and you're ready to go. You want to add one additional fastener on the right-hand side of this channel. This channel will be concealed by the following tile. So you can add one fastener here, which is going to secure the tile and also keep it from sliding down. You could also add an additional fastener going up into the J channel if necessary.